Activity time. It's at Lake Crackenback Resort here, and we're going to be doing some mountain biking, riding down from Thredbo to Lake Crackenback and then further down to Jindabyne. Total of about 38 or so kilometers. Should be exciting. You can do it, you can do it! You can do it! I can do it!
Oh, I stuffed my shoulders. Oh, can I lift my arm? And my braking thumb. Yeah.
Are you ready for another 17, 18, 19 kilometers?
Oh. I say no, but I say yes. I can do this.
You came the right track actually.
We went on the walking track.
Yeah, so we ended up going there also.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking this is not a very good bike track.
We're at the halfway mark at Lake Crackenback Resort, and the weather is changing, typical of mountain environments. There is rain forecast, so we better get on our way. We've got another 19 odd kilometers to do. We're sitting at about 20 kilometers now that we've done since starting in Thredbo. It's supposed to be a harder section than the first section. Alright, I'll stop. And now you can see we are crossing Thredbo River. We're going to be following the river all the way down to Jindabyne. Should be fun. The weather is turning. I suspect we're going to have some rain to tackle. Well, it's beautiful. It's nice with the cloud cover. It means that the lighting is really nice. No, not harsh at all, and you've got beautiful colours around here. Amazing. Echidna. It's its own form of defence. Put those spikes up. There he goes. So some of the sections on this back section from Lake Crackenback to Jindabyne are what's known as more technically difficult, which means there's boulders and rocks and stuff like that. Going uphill it's a bit easier just to walk and push the bike. And then stand up on your pegs as you go over. That's it!
What?
That's the start. I'm wedged between a hard place and a rock, literally. One rock. The other rock, bike stuck in between. That's what happens when you lose your balance. We're at the 12-kilometre mark, well 12 kilometres to go mark. So we've done 6 k's in how many hours? 1 hour.
6 k's in 1 hour, so 12, 2 more hours and we're home.
So that's should be around 4 o'clock mark. So we've done 26 kilometres so far. First fall.
Woo. No damage. Dr. Peter to the rescue.
What do we got?
Is there some cream too?
Yes, Jindabyne cream that went out of date in 1990.
That's all right.
Must be good stuff to be still hanging around after 30 years after its use by date. It used to be white, look at the colour now.
It's always been pink. That's famous Boots chemist in the UK. You can't even buy Jindabyne here.
Oh, well, the flies are back.
They are. That was a tree that I brushed past.
There you go, all repaired.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's actually stinging.
Maybe it's 20 years past its use by date.
That cream must be doing the job. Magically. How much further?
10 kilometres?
10. Woo. Bit tricky. Sorry. Oh, I did it.
The one that dropped is yours.
Woo!
Keep on going. Here's the image.
Something's there.
On your face.
Quickly.
You land on your face.
Yeah.
You've got a bit of a gravel rash there.
Quickly.
It's gravel
It
rash.
hurts. Oh. baby Jan. It's throbbing. Am I gonna die? What do you reckon? Hmm? Oh, it's so sore.
I guess we've got to work out whether to use a band-aid or not waste it, just leave you here.
Okay, we're gonna do this.
It's alright, skin tone. Didn't even notice.
Now, got another band-aid? How many band-aids have you got?
Okay, 10 in anticipation. I think Leah has gone for a tumble. You okay? Had a fright of my life. Just came over this ridge here. Right smack in the middle there's a red belly black snake, about 2 meter long. Rode right over the top of it. Unbelievable. Anyway, it's hopefully it survived. It's gone off into the bushes. And Leah is off on her own. Looking at 39.88 kilometers so far.
39?
Well, by
What happened
time.
to 35?
Well, that's what we got. Only 7 k's to Jindabyne now.
Oh!
They say the last 7 k's are the killer. So we've made it to the trout hatchery. And then you got this tarmac road you've got to climb. Both Leo and I are exhausted, needless to say. And this is where an e-bike, electric bike, comes into its own.